algebraic formulae, expansion of squares, part 2. Let's see the another formula, that is a minus b whole square. In last formula we have seen that a plus b. Here a minus b is there. So again square means we have to multiply again a minus b into a minus b. Take out the first term here a and another bracket as it is here. This minus sign will come here. Then write here b and bracket again a minus b as it is. Write the whole bracket here. Now a multiplied by a square, minus sign will come here, a into b, ab. This minus sign will come here, b into a, ab or ba you can write. Now this minus into minus, you know that minus into minus will change to plus. So b into b, b square. A square here minus ab. So 2 times ab and both the terms have minus minus sign. It will remain as it is here, minus sign. You know that 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of this expression. It means a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is the difference in between these two expansions? The only sign difference. If it is here minus sign, you have to write the minus sign here only. Okay. So same you can write for this also. A minus b whole square is equal to the square of the first term minus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term 2ab plus the square of the second term. Understood it? Now let's see some examples. 2x plus 3y whole square. So we have to apply the formula here. What is the formula? A plus b square. Every time while solving you should say this, that the square of the first term. What is the first term? 2x. So write here 2x square plus 2 multiplied by first term 2x multiplied by second term 3y plus the square of the second term, that is 3y square. Now you can multiply this. The square of the 2 is 4, x square here plus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12 here, x into y xy. So 12xy plus the square of the 3 is 9 and y square. So this is the answer. 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. See the another example for the numericals. 51 square. So we can find out by using this expansion formula the squares also, because this is the expansion of square. So for that we should write this 51 as 50 plus 1. In expanded form we have to write the number. You have learned this expanded from third standard. So expanded form of 51 is 50 plus 1 whole square. Again say the formula. Square of the first term 50 square plus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term plus the square of the second term 1 into 1. Now the square of 50 is 2500 plus 2 into 50 100. 100 into 1 again 100 and 1 into 1 is 1. Add this all, you will get the square of 51 2601. Understood? Set 50. Here the formulas are written. While solving every time you have to write the formula here. Plus sign is given, so you should write this formula a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is the example. Square of the first term 5a square plus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term plus the square of the second term. 5 5 is 25a square plus 2 into 5 10, 10 into 6 60 into a b plus the square of the 6 is 36, square of the b is b square. This is the answer of the first example. Now here fractions are given, a upon 2 plus b upon 3 whole square. Same formula you have to use here also, students. A upon 2 is the first term here. The square of the first term, a upon 2 square plus 2 multiplied by first term, a upon 2 multiplied by second term, b upon 3 plus the square of the second term, b upon 3 square. Now the square of the numerator and denominator both you have to write. The square of the a is a square, square of the 2 is 4 plus. Now this 2 has the denominator 1, so multiply the 2 with the numerators only. 2 into a into b, 2ab, 2 3s are 6. After dividing again, you will get 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Or directly you can cancel this 2 also. So we will get here finally ab upon 3 plus square of the b is b square and the square of the 3 is 9. So this is your final answer. Understood it? So like this you can solve